In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Gremlin's feed management function. First, go to the My Tools dropdown in the top right corner of your screen and select Feeds. This will take you to the Feed Manager page. A feed is a data format that provides frequently updated content. Blogs, for example, have feeds people can subscribe to automatically get new posts. Using Gremlin's Feed Manager, you can schedule RSS and add-in feeds to post to your various social media accounts. You can see we are currently not displaying any feeds. So let's add a new one to our account. Click the Add a New Feed button. You'll want to give your feed a name, supply the URL, and select the format. For this example, we're going to use Gremlin's blog. So for the name, we're going to select Gremlin blog and enter the feed URL, which is blog.gremlin.com/feed. RSS format is fine, so we're going to click Save. You can then see the name of the feed, the URL, the date it was added, and several action items. You can view the feed, edit it, schedule the feed, or delete it. Editing will allow you to change the feed name or URL. To schedule the feed, you'll click on this clock icon, which will take you down the scheduling path. Select the feed that you'd like to schedule and click Next. You'll then see the feed content page. Select what content you want to pull from the feed, whether you want the title, description, or title and description. Then select your link shortener, either Brevis or bit.ly. The unique identifier is the publication date. The prefix and suffix fields are for entering copy you want to add at the beginning or the end of the post, such as read this or check this out. You can check if you'd like to include it only if space is available in your posts. If you want to only include posts that mention certain keywords, enter those in the Include Keywords field. If you want to make sure you never publish posts that have certain keywords, such as swear words, non-compliant terms, or competitors' names, you can exclude those here. Then click Next and come to the scheduling page. If the feed you are scheduling tends to post frequent content, you can select the maximum number of messages and the maximum number of minutes between each message to save you from inundating your audience with too much content. Select the date, time, and time zone that you'd like to use as your starting point, and then select how frequently you'd like your posts to recur, whether hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can choose to have these feeds post indefinitely with no end date, end after a certain number of occurrences, or end at a specific date. When you've made all your schedule specifications, click Next. You will then be able to select which networks you want your post to be sent from. You can select as many or as few of the accounts you've associated with Gremlin as you wish. You can select your Twitter accounts, Facebook fan pages, LinkedIn discussion groups, any of the posts that you'd like to send this out to. Once you've made your selection, click Schedule the feed. You can edit or delete these by clicking on the corresponding icons in the far right column. To get back to the main Feed Manager screen, just click Feed Manager. To add a new scheduled feed, click New Scheduled Feed. You're now ready to use Gremlin's Feed Manager tool. If you have further questions, please contact our customer service team by emailing support@gremlin.com or tweet us at gremlinhelp on Twitter.